1. Phrases.
Phrases are groups of words that don't consist of a subject and a verb. Phrases can be in the form of noun phrases, adjective phrases, verb phrases, and prepositional phrases. Jadi, phrase atau frasa merupakan kelompok kata yang tidak terdiri dari subjek dan kata kerja. Phrases is divided into several parts between them. 1. Noun phrase is a phrase whose head is a noun. Jadi, noun phrase memiliki pengertian sebuah noun yang terbentuk dan lebih dari satu kata. Meski terbentuk dari banyak hal, tetapi sifat dasar noun phrase tetaplah sebagai kata kerja. Pattern of noun phrase is adjective plus noun plus adjective. For example, an amazing dancer. 2. Adjective phrase is a phrase whose head is an adjective. Jadi, adjective phrase adalah sekumpulan kata yang bertindak seperti adjektif atau kata sifat dari sebuah kalimat penuh. Pattern of adjective phrase is adjective plus verb plus adjective. For example, a sweet apple. 3. Adverbial phrase is a phrase whose head is an adverb. Pengertian adverbial phrase sendiri adalah kumpulan kata yang terdiri dari adverb atau kata keterangan. Pattern of adverbial phrase is adverb plus adverb plus adverb. For example, met me at the mall. 4. Verb phrase is a phrase whose head is a verb. Jadi, verb phrase adalah kumpulan kata yang terdiri dari beberapa kata kerja seperti main verb, auxiliary verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb, dan lain-lain. Pattern of verb phrase is adverb plus verb plus adverb. For example, we'll take the control.
Phrase function. Just like nouns, noun phrases also function as subject, object, and complement. Example: old house, very long, very slow, enough money.
Number 2. Adverb, word order.
What is adverb? Adverb is used to describe or provide additional information about a verb, adjective, or even the adverb itself. There is 6 types of adverbs. They are: first, adverb of manners, position. They usually go in end position. They sometimes go in mid position if the adverb, and then is the most important part of the clause of the object is very long. Example is he drank quickly. Next, adverb of place. Adverb of place position. They usually go in end position. They sometimes go in initial position, especially in writing. Example, put the cake there. Next, adverb of times. Position, they usually go in end position. They sometimes go in initial position, especially if we want to emphasize the adverb. Example, John went to the cinema yesterday. Next, adverb of frequency. Position, they usually go in mid position. They sometimes go in initial position. Then they can also go in end position. So, always, ever, and never do not usually go in front of position. Example, I'm never pleased to see him. Next, adverbs of degree. Position, really, very, quite usually go in mid position, and then a lot and a bit usually go in end position. Example, the man drove really badly. Next, the last, adverbs of attitude. Position, they usually go outside in the clouds, often at the beginning initial position. They might also go in end position. And then they can sometimes go in mid position, especially in formal writing. Example, I didn't like any of them, honestly.
Number 3. Adjective word order.
Adjective word order. What is adjective? Adjective is a word that describes something, a noun, or someone, a person. Adjectives sometimes appear after the verb to be. Example, he is short, atau she is tall. And adjectives sometimes appear a noun. Example, red car, old hair. Definition: the order of cumulative. So, adjective word order is the order of cumulative is as follow: quantity, opinion, size, age, color, shape, origin, material, and purpose. Adjective order. For the opinion, example is amazing, beautiful, awful. Size, big, small, short. Physical quality, thin, fat, rock. Shape, annular, even, flat. Age, new, old, young. 6. Color, black, red, blue. Origin, American, Canadian, Indonesian. Material, glass, plastic, silver. Type, all purpose. And last, purpose, dining, meeting, running, sleeping.
Number 4. Compound sentence using fun boys.
A compound sentence is a sentence with at least two independent clauses. What is a fun voice? Fun voice is an acronym to help you remember or 7 coordinating conjunction. 7 coordinating conjunction, that is, number 1, V is for, is because, or the reason for something. For example, I was late for my car ran out of gas. Number 2, E is and. Is a word that can connect to similar ideas. For example, he went to bed early, and the next day he feel better. Number 3, and is nor. Is a word that can connect to negative ideas. For example, she didn't like maths, nor did she like physics. Number 4, B is bad. Shows a difference or a change. For example, Mary ran fast, but she could not catch John. Number 5, O is or. Shows a choice. For example, will Mary go or will John go? Number 6, ye is yet. Shows a difference or a change. For example, I have known him for a long time, yet I have never understood him. Number 7, as is so. Shows effect or the result of something. For example, she was feeling sick, so she went to the doctor.